There are still people who are in power that don't care. If Allah were to give these people right now the victory, perhaps the next day we'll be killing each other. Maybe we're not ready, brothers and sisters. Allah will not entrust the people with an authority and power if He knows they will corrupt it, if the situation will be worse. Sometimes Allah will not give you exactly what you want because we don't know what the future holds. We don't know what kind of people will take control. We don't know how the ummah will be if Allah were to give us power now in the way that we want it. Allah knows. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will give nasr and victory, but in the right way. Not in the way that we want, not in the current state that we are in. Allah will not give it to a people who are not ready to exercise it. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, إِنَّ اللَّهَ لَا يُغَيِّرُ مَا بِقَوْمٍ حَتَّى يُغَيِّرُوا مَا بِأَنفُسِهِمْ. Allah will not change the state of a people until they change the state that is within themselves. أنفسهم means your inner self and your inner communities. There are still hypocrites among the communities.